Welcome back, artistic family, to Shannon Gibson Art and Designs. And today, guys, I'm using a lot more colors than what I normally do. I have a lot of the Deco Art Decor Metallics. So quickly before I get started, guys, I just wanted to mention that I have many people recently who've been asking me questions in the comments about my pouring medium, consistency. I just wanted to mention that if you are new, I always include all that information in the details in the video description. However, I also show almost in every pour, for the most part, my consistency. And again, consistency is hard to teach. It's something you have to get used to doing. And I do have approximately in my video description. So if you're not watching, guys, the whole video all the way through, if I don't include that information in the video description, I'm including it in the video. So if you're skipping to the pretty parts and you're not watching me review the paints, then you're going to miss that. So as usual, I am going to go over the paints, and this information will be in the video description. So right here, I am using regular, not the metallic white I've been using recently. I've got a lot of metallics and I don't want it too shimmery. As much as I love shimmer, we all know. Too much of it takes away from the pour, I find, because your eyes just focused in too many places. So I have Artist Loft Soft Body White, and it's extremely thin. I would say it has a slight trace, if you can see that, but there's no mound. And all my paints are the same consistency. The only paint that I have Floetrol in is the white. Everything else is paint and water. And again, this is Parchment by Liquitex Basics. Okay. And this gorgeous rich color, okay, is that gorgeous metallic by Deco Art Decor Metallics. It is copper. There's my drips, guys. And then I have my 24 karat gold. Okay, again by Deco Art Decor Metallics. I'm using my go-to soft body black by Artist Loft. And then I have my sterling silver by Deco Art Decor Metallics. And for the base, guys, this is so new for me. I know you guys, if you watch me regularly, and in the last few months, I started using these paints, Deco Art Decor Metallics. And I wasn't really fond of this color here, which is the Antique Bronze. It's very different than my go-to Artist Loft Bronze, and it's definitely a brown, okay? And it is a pretty color mixed in with the neutrals, but I'm just usually not that in love with it. So today I'm going to use it on the base, and I am going to attempt to do another Dutch pour. So let's go ahead, guys, and get going. So pretty, guys. Well, it's growing on me. So again, when you use colors in different ways, you may not like it in one way. Don't give up. Okay, so I am going to do, I want a lot of negative space, and I'm kind of going to do like an L, like a side, right? We're going to start off with the parchment here. And then again, I have in the white, I have the Floetrol and water. Don't want too much glossy copper. I do want to see it. And we're going to use the gorgeous gold. That and the parchment together is beautiful, guys. I don't know how it's going to show up on this one, but absolutely beautiful. Tiny bit of sterling silver. And then of course you guys know, for me, everything is better with black. Just gonna do a few drips and drops there. Fantastic. Totally forgot about my paint to go around it, but that's okay, because you can blow it out and do a Dutch pour without having to do it, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to blow a tiny bit,